Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you how to switch the handle side on your Daiwa Sweepfire spinning reel. Whether you're left-handed, right-handed, or just want to try the other side, it's super simple. This model doesn't let you unscrew the handle directly. Instead, it uses a locking screw cap on the opposite side. First, find that cap. Hold the handle steady and turn the screw cap counterclockwise. Keep turning until the cap comes off completely. Once the cap is removed, the handle slides right out. Gently pull it free from the current side. Next, insert the handle into the opposite side of the reel. Push it all the way through so it fits securely. Now, take the screw cap and thread it into the open side. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place while keeping the handle steady. Make sure it's tight, but don't overdo it. Give the handle a quick spin to ensure it moves smoothly. And that's it. Your Daiwa Sweepfire is now set up for the other hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fishing tips.